Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Tapshi Tech and Reviews. In today's video, let's quickly check this product. So there's a battery tester. The model number is BT-168. It's a generic product. Different people sell it with different brand names. So in today's video, let's quickly check this, and it will be a really quick video. So yeah, without wasting any time, let's get in the video. Please enjoy. So yeah, before checking out this product, I wanted to request you all to please do subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. That will help me a lot. That will help me grow in YouTube. So please do subscribe. So yeah, so it's a battery tester, as I told, and I can test different kinds of battery, AAA, AA, coin battery, button battery, all kinds of battery can be tested. So yeah, so you can adjust this one, and according to your battery size you can test the battery. So this is how the product looks like. So if it's a transistor battery, then you can test it from this side. And the display is an analog display, not a digital display. And on the back side you'll see this. So they've given a specification of what is good, what is low power, and what is replace. A relevant volt is also mentioned over here. For each health of the battery, they have mentioned the relevant voltage. So it's a 1.5 volt battery, then this is the specification. For 9 volt battery, this is the specification. And if you take it closer, these are the information that's available. Mini cell, 9 volt battery, and that's this side. So it's a mini cell. Then I need to bring this all the way down and test it. So yeah, let's quickly test few batteries, and let's make this video really short. So I have a lot of batteries over here, and so these are the batteries which I've tested, which is already dead. So let's test it again and see how it works. So first let me take this AA battery. Just need to adjust it accordingly and bring this down, and this way you can test it. This will move to the green if it's in good health, or else it will be in red, anywhere in this red color. So this is completely dead battery. I'll put it to this box. So similarly I will test this one. So positive, the plus goes this side and the negative goes in the bottom. So there's also a dead battery, so we can put this as well. So there's a coin battery. So if you take it closer, you can see what is plus and what is negative, what is positive and what is negative. So this side comes up. So this also has no power. So that battery also we need to throw. So let's take some positive scenarios. Let's test this one. These are some good batteries which have segregated. So you can see it's replaced but still has a little power. So if I take this, so you can see it is somewhere in yellow. That is also a good battery. And similarly, you can test out any AAA battery as well. So you can see it's in good condition. So this battery also comes here. So all these are dead batteries. So we need to throw this. So we need to throw this. So we need to throw this. So all these coin batteries also we need to throw. So this also we need to throw. The button batteries, it's a little difficult to test, so we need to bring it completely down, and using the edge you need to test it. So this side it's positive, so I cannot put it between this, so I need to hold it and test it. Something like this you can test. It's also dead. So there's also dead. There's also dead. So let's take some positive scenario for the coin battery. So there's a new battery which I have removed out of this packet just to test a good condition battery. So you can see it's in green. So there's a good battery. So there's a good battery. And one more thing we need to notice is the lower one is for the button batteries, and the upper one is for testing the AA, AAA batteries or transistor batteries. So yeah, this is also a good battery. So this is a must-have device at home, and I can put it along with your battery, and you can test it whenever you're using already open battery. So you can test it and use the battery, and once it's completely dead, then you can throw it off. So yeah, that's a quick video which I want to do. I paid around 199 rupees on Amazon. There are different variants. There's a digital display one, there is a different design one. You can purchase any. If you have voltmeter, you can use that as well, but this is just a easier way to test the battery, and you can keep this along with your battery bag and use it whenever you want to use a battery. You can just test it out and use the battery. So yeah, that's a quick video which I want to do. So before ending the video, please do subscribe to my channel, guys, if you have not done so. That'll help me a lot. That'll help me grow in YouTube, so please do subscribe. So yeah, that's all in the video. Do hope you liked it. If you like the video, please do hit the like button, subscribe, comment. Let's catch you next video. Until then, see you. Bye.